Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a summer makeup look using the Jawbreaker Palette by Jeffreestar. So if you're interested, just keep watching. I am going to go in with is Wow on the palette, and that is this yellow color right here. And I am just going to be applying this to the inner corners of my eyes. I don't like the yellow in this palette. It is not pigmented at all. Like, can you guys see? Like, I'm literally like dipping in there. And this is what it's giving me. Nothing. I don't like this yellow, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna see if we continue to put like layers upon it, if it gets more vibrant. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do one of my hacks. Well, it's not necessarily my hacks, but it's one of the things that I do. Like I gotta go take a shit. So I'm gonna use the Mario thing, and I just spray the brush. And I'm gonna flip it left, flip it the wrist, flip it up, flip it the wrist. And now we're gonna see if this picks up color, because normally, like, if a color is like this, it normally makes it brighter. No, it's not helping. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other eye. The next color I am gonna go in with is Suck, which is the color right next to the yellow. And I'm gonna put that in the middle of like my eye, so like the middle of your eyelid. And I'm just packing on the colors, and I'll blend everything once all the colors are put on the eye, and I'll blend them together. Like, it looks vibrant on the camera. That's because my camera's like really good, but like in person it looks chalky. I'm gonna go in with Tasty, which is this brown color right here, and I'm gonna put that on like the inner, I mean not the inner, the outer corners. I'm just like mainly blending it to like the outer, you know how you guys have like the outer V in the corners of your eyes? Just really blending it in there and kind of pushing it towards the orange. So like what I'm doing is I'm getting it right here, and I'm kind of just blending it right there. You can add as much as little eyeshadows you want. As I said in my other videos, makeup is whatever you feel comfortable with. Whatever makes you feel beautiful, do as you please, because that's what makeup's for. Like, there's no right or wrong way to do makeup. Everyone does makeup differently, and you just have to find what you're comfortable with. And to blend this, I'm going to use Morphe M441. So I'm gonna go in with the Morphe brush and 1, 2, 4. And I'm gonna grab the yellow because I don't know if you guys can see, but like there's like no yellow there after I blended it. So I'm just gonna go in and put this here. And you guys already know how I clean up my eyeshadow. Is I go in with a translucent color, which I'm gonna do the white. And I'm just gonna clean it up. And I'm just using like a flat brush, something that you use for your eyebrows to clean up. All I did is I just cleaned it up, and now I'm gonna put on some mascara and show you guys the finished product. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. All I did was add mascara to my eyes and add like a nude lip gloss. And if you do recreate this look, definitely let me know on my Instagram. I will have that link down below, and hashtag Val Summer Makeup. And that concludes today's video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and if you guys did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload. And until next time guys, never stop chasing your dreams. Bye.